Why is this line written the way it is? I ask, and it answers with the exact source line that proves it. A citation, or it refuses. Every codebase has a why that was never written down. The trade-offs. The hard-won context behind a strange-looking choice. It rarely lives in the code. It lives in one person's head. And the day that person leaves, the why walks out the door with them. So you ask an AI, and it does the most dangerous thing software can do. It answers confidently, with no proof at all. Call it what it is. Answer hallucination. It sounds right, it looks right. And a wrong answer costs you far more than no answer, because you act on it. There is a better way. Meet Cartographer. Point it at any codebase, and it tells you why the code is the way it is, and backs every provable claim with a citation. And when it cannot prove something, it does not guess. It refuses out loud. For this submission, we pointed it at a real codebase. You can check yourself. Werkzeug, the engine under Flask. The same tool runs on yours. Teal means proven. It cites the exact line and the pull request where the team decided it. Amber means we do not have the receipts yet. Every part is marked for what it is. Nothing is faked. Ask why local copies the dictionary on every write. It retrieves the code, finds the pull request where the maintainer made the call, verifies, then answers. The exact file and lines. Click the citation and the code view jumps straight to the cited span. A generic assistant hands you a confident paragraph. This hands you the line and the receipt behind it. Now the hard half. Ask it a false premise. Why does it depend on Redis? A helpful assistant would invent a reason right when you can least afford it. But the verdict here is a deterministic gate. No model in the loop. The token is not anywhere in the code, so it refuses. It shows its work, lists the spans it checked. I push it. Just give me your best guess. It still will not. It would rather say nothing than lie about your code. Then it files the refusal as a bus factor gap. Most demos hide this moment. This is the point. Every refusal lands here. The modules whose why lives in one head, ranked by single author concentration, owners pseudonymized. On Werkzeug, one file, the header parser, is almost entirely one person's. And it is not alone. Most of the map leans on a single author. But it does not just diagnose the risk. Capture that answer once, and the gap flips from lost to recovered for good. The knowledge stops walking out the door. And this is not a canned demo. Run it locally, and it calls Gemini in real time, on any module. But the same deterministic gate still rules. Here, the code checks out at a real line, yet no pull request records the rationale. So it says exactly that. An honest partial, not a confident guess. The gray zone stays usable and honest. So how do you trust it? You do not have to. The verdict runs with no model in it at all. 13 out of 13. Every case called right. A comment, a docstring, a near match a lazy tool would wave through. Every fabrication and bypass refused. Every real claim cited. 0 fabrications. And that is the part you do not take on faith. Clone the repo, run the eval, and you get the same result. For engineering leaders, this can compress onboarding, de-risk key person departures, and turn tribal knowledge into an asset you actually own. It pays for itself the first time it saves one re-derivation. Today it maps Werkzeug. Tomorrow, every legacy codebase your business cannot afford to forget. Cartographer. A citation or it refuses. Clone it, run the gate, and watch it hold the line, every time. This is not Copilot with a refusal flag. It is institutional memory you can audit. Provenance is the product. Refusal is a feature.